Hello. A few of you may by now know that the Lifelong Vitality is not available in Australia, or actually that's not quite true. Let's go here and I'll show you. We create an order. Let's go for the 15th and we need to go down here. So I've just clicked on, okay, so here these two are available, but you can see that it adds up to 130, 140 something or other dollars, which is a bit expensive because the kit's not available at the moment. doTERRA's looking for a new supplier in Australia. So if I go cancel this order, and sound great, yes. Okay, so to do a US order, if you go, see this little dot over here, if you click there, then you have to do it as a loyalty reward order to be able to get the big benefits, and I'll show you what the big benefits are. We click on a date, and we need to click on this down here, and you'll see with the US orders there's a whole lot more to order. Actually, and I'll show you the difference between loyalty reward order and a one-time only order when it comes to the Lifelong Vitality. So you'll see here we're now in the wellness, and you can see that there's the singles, but you can also see here there is the Lifelong Vitality pack. So let's click on View Kit, and this is where it's absolutely superb doing a US order for your Lifelong Vitality. Normally these are $79.50 US, but because of this challenge in Australia, they're giving us the Lifelong Vitality at 20% off. So the big plus of doing your ordering from doing a US order for your Lifelong Vitality all the time is you get to order these others. As you can see, they're all $24. This one here is usually $43 and it's 43 US. This one's usually 71 US. This one's usually 43, I think, and I don't know what price the kids ones are. So you can choose any 3 additional ones at this discounted price. So I usually choose these, and I'm saving myself $90 US. So what you do is you put a click in each of these. So let's go and do that. We go 1, and excuse the way I'm doing the order. I'm having my usual technological ways of doing a recording without the just on the computer. Algorithms were changed and it's not working. So you can see here that now you have 78 PV. So if you're looking to do a 100 PV order, you've got to keep that in mind, or 125 PV order. And here is the US total. This down here, guys, apply AR balance, is actual real money. You can use this against your order as actual real money, the same as you can use your points, or you can actually have that money sent to your own bank account in Australia to pay other bills or holidays. So always do view totals, and you'll see that this now says $174 and $55, and it includes the shipping. And I multiply this $174 and $55 by 1.45 to cover the exchange rate. The exchange rate's not quite that high, but I always add in extra. But you can just Google and go USD to AUD, and you can find out what the exchange rate is. Okay, so if you've done this other order, let's go save changes, because I know some of you get in a panic that you're going to end up with 2 orders shipping. Okay, let's put the address in. Okay, save again. And this membership renewal's coming up a bit lately, so just ignore that, or maybe phone up doTERRA and find out. So you'll see here that there's 2 orders here. I've got 2 US orders happening, so it doesn't matter whether they're here in this US section or up here in the purpley area for an Aussie order. So if you now click on one order, you'll see it has this here under the date, cancel this LRP. So now we can cancel that. Yes, delete the order, and that means you only have 1 order sitting there. So if I came in to do this as a one-time only order, let's have a look what happens. So I'm just going to focus on the wellness area. So we go here, we find these guys, and look, there's no kits. If you're doing it as a one-time only order, you're missing out. You're costing yourself hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So this is just in the wellness area. There are no kits there if you're doing it as a loyalty, as if you're doing it as a one-time only order. And so you might go, okay, well, I didn't click on, if I can go out of this, cancel. So now if you just come in here without creating a new LRP template and you just click on the wellness products, it's going to presume that you're doing it as a one-time only order. You always have to create a new LRP or adjust an existing LRP to end up with those beautiful benefits of the kit, of those huge savings. So thanks for that, guys. Any questions, message me.